I'm a friend of Ranjet's cousin. He gave me your Skype account. He told me that you work in a lab as a technician, and I hope you can help me with some information about some lab materials that I'm going to need to do an experiment.
Sure, that would be a pleasure helping you with that. Just let me know your name, please.
I'm sorry. I'm Oscar. I'm studying in the IPN in Mexico. I study pharmaceutical engineering. Do you know that career?
Yes, I do know that career. Actually, I do know some pharmaceutical engineers. I can tell you that you are in a right path. They do earn a lot of money, so I guess that will be a nice thing for you.
Hot.
So, Oscar, nice to meet you. My name is Jonathan, and I understand that you will need some information, some prices, right, for some material.
Yes, thank you. Nice to meet you too. I'm going to need some materials. I'm next month. We are going to extract caffeine from commercial coffee, and we are planning to do this with a list of materials that I have here. And I hope you can give me some information about the prices of those materials. Can you help me?
Sure, sure. Just let me know what you will need.
I will need two of 100 milliliters beakers and two of 250 milliliters beakers. Also, I'm going to need a 25 milliliters graduated cylinder
Okay, just
and
let me check here. I do know that I have the information around here.
yes, thank you.
You're welcome, Oscar. Just let me check. I have here. So you were saying that you will need two of 100 milliliters, right?
Yes,
Okay. The one for 100 milliliters will be for, let me check here, $4.50.
that sounds great. And
You were saying that you will need two, right? That will be for each one, $4.50. And the one for 250 milliliters will be for, let me check here, that will be for $6.99.
okay.
What else do you need?
And the graduated cylinder
How many milliliters?
at 25.
The one for 25 will be for $6.49, almost $6.50.
Thank you. And I'm going to need a funnel, a glass funnel.
Oh, I have that information in my computer. Just let me check here. Okay, the funnel will be for $4.99.
Thank you. And I also need a watch glass.
A watch glass. Just one, right?
Just one.
That will be for $2.
$2. And spatula.
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 That will be for $5.95. Yes, 95 cents.
Okay. And well, this is, I think, the most expensive one, a hot plate. I need a special one that has a magnetic plate to is compatible with a magnetic stirrer. Do you have that?
I do have one here, and it will cost you $243.
I hear before that the hot plate was a little expensive.
It is expensive. A
Well,
little bit.
I need a magnetic stirrer to work with hot plate.
Sure, I have one here that is compatible with, and will cost you $5.60.
Okay, Okay, and I need an steering rod.
Okay. Sorry, just let me check. Someone is calling me here, but don't worry about that. A steering rod, right?
A steering rod.
Yes, the steering rod will be for $2.20.
Okay. The last material I need is a packet of lap clamps.
Okay. I have here in two different presentation. I have one for 50 and I have one for 100. Which one will be?
The one for 50. The one for 50.
Okay, that will cost you $36.65.
Okay, okay. I think it's fair. So that's all. How many will be for all materials? You have the count.
The thing is that I didn't write it down, so I will need all information again. I mean,
You
if
can
you write the
email
information down,
you can email me the information, please.
Sure. There is no problem.
Okay.
Just you can write down your email
Yes.
here in
Yes.
Skype,
Yes.
and I will send you the information here.
Thank you. Well, that is all. So, thank you very much.
You're welcome, Oscar. If you need anything else, then get in touch with me.
Well, I interesting to know some information about working in a lab. It's interesting. Do you like it?
I do love my work, but the thing is that it's not for everybody, because some people say that it can be a little bit boring, but I mean, I don't care about that, so that's why I love it. But it's not for everybody.
I know. Sometimes you have to do a reactions that last. I don't know. That need 2 hours reflux or something like that, and you are waiting 2 hours doing nothing. But at the end of the time is very rewarding, the results of the reaction or doesn't.
It is, believe me that it is. I mean, if you spend like 4 or 5 hours for just a little thing, and after that you get the result that you were hoping, that is rewarding for you. I mean, all the time counts.
Okay, what do you study? What did you study?
Well, I did take some courses at the university for pharmaceutical engineer, but in this case I didn't finish my studies because I was, well, the thing is that I work for my studies, and I work for my food, I have to pay my rent and all that.
I know.
So studying
It's
and
difficult.
working at the same time, that was a little bit hard for me.
It's very
so
difficult.
I just did some courses, but I was working here in the lab, but I didn't end because of the time, and it was very stressful.
Yes, I know how stressful could be the career because you have that 8 assignments for a semester and you have no time to work in the reports of lab or working homework or study or doing math homework or doing projects. It's very stressful. I understand.
Yeah, it is. So I don't know if you need anything else, Oscar, I can help you with.
That's all. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. We are in contact. Nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Oscar. Good night.
Good night. See you later.